Right down the back of the shotgun paddock this arvo and moving the fat cow mob. This is a trade mob that I mainly bought in August last year, and a few cull cows of my own, ones that just weren't in calf. Did a very tight calving window last year of 6 weeks, so I've had to be a bit ruthless and cull a few just to try and get everything back to the one calving season instead of having two, which I had previously. So these guys are going pretty good at the moment. I've got 18 going direct to the abattoirs in Brisbane on Sunday, and this will be one of their last couple of paddock moves. So yeah, just keeping them going ahead right up until their last day on the farm, and they'll make a few good steaks and plenty of good mince and sausages for someone. There's about 30 left in this mob, and I'm selling 18, so I'll pick the top percentage out and keep the rest and tidy them up as time goes on, and shift them off before the winter. Got the neighbour's bull standing here doing a bit of call out for us, and another good reason to have a hot wire on your fence. Righto, have a great arvo.